The primary goal of incorporating widgets into your website is to enhance the user experience. By incorporating new features, you'll improve your user's experience and set yourself apart from other Blender websites. Checkout security, appointment reminders and reservations, and customer support are just some of the many widgets available. And we are to present to you the most appealing and beneficial ones for your site. In today's video, we will show you Elfsight, a SaaS platform with an extensive package of solutions, allowing small businesses to design online storefronts and enhance e-commerce websites with widgets and deep integration options. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. If a user is underage, you can use the Elfsight verification widget to check their age. Aside from that, you can define the minimum age for your products or services, add message wording, and select the scenario for minors. You can also design an age verification box that suits your website's style and colors. The widget also supports a background image, logo, and picture. Less important text widths can be changed as well. Website cookie use notification is now simple. With this widget, you only need to add a few components to get started. You can begin by writing a message that users will see in the window. Then, share a link to your compliance policy if needed. Your cookie notification will arrive at the proper time and place. The widget layout might be a bar or a box. As a result, bar and box can be oriented to the page's left, right, or center. Your accordion fax format impacts how readers perceive the content. An organized display makes it easy to switch between inquiries and find responses fast. The Elfsight Fact widget contains single and organized lists to help you balance your material. A fantastic design is not the only factor in making your website accordion fact appealing to and usable by users. With Elfsight, it's easy to make the widget blend with your website and engage more visitors. In addition, you can show the back to top button wherever you like on your site to optimize the user experience. The Elfsight link can help you have a good time while you're online. If you want your visitors to be able to return to the top of your page swiftly, you can include a button on every page of your website, or just the ones you want them to see. Any smartphone, PC, or tablet can use this feature just fine. Additionally, you'll be able to present your consumers with a convenient button when they need it by specifying the scroll position as a percentage. Did you see all the options available to create amazing websites using this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Elfsight services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other great features this platform has for you. Elfsight Logo Showcase allows you to display many logos by simply uploading photos and adding links. In addition, you can display the widget title and CTA button to convert visitors into leads. Furthermore, you can customize the widget to look exactly how you want it to be a perfect match for your website. For example, you can customize the background by uploading your image or selecting a color. Choose the original or grayscale color of the logo, or paint it yourself. And choose a style and color for the CTA button as changing its shape. Elfsight has designed various scenarios for what happens if a user presses your button. You may provide a link to another URL. If you wish to put a Call Us button on certain pages, you can give a phone number or Skype login. Also, you can direct your visitors to your social media accounts if you choose. Add a chat button for WhatsApp, Telegram, or Skype. The widget can help you receive emails by storing your email address. By integrating Elfsight's search widget on your website, you can help users discover what they need. It uses Google API and displays only the most relevant results. The widget analyzes web page structure and gives extensive product information. You can also suggest the ideal match for their needs. Everything is easy to find. You can choose whether the results appear on full screen or as a pop-up. You can also customize the background and text color to make the results section stand out on your website. The Elfsight QR code widget makes it easy for users to contact you, share files, and find locations. You can reveal your email and phone number, social network profiles, message data, and Wi-Fi profiles in only a few clicks. The widget's components can all be changed. For example, you can change the background, foreground, text colors, title font size, text size, and font weight. With the Elfsight calendar widget, you can easily publish any event. You can use one of our pre-made templates or make your own. Add venues, hosts, messages, and more to your events using the configurator. You can also exhibit all events in flashy fashion with only a few clicks. You can organize one-day or multi-day events, label locations to help users discover them, and add information about hosts. Statistics help you shape your business strategy and track audience engagement. Using the widget requires no advanced metrics services or coding knowledge. Simply embed it and explore your data in style. You can always brag about your progress or an ambitious start on your site if needed. This handy and wonderful widget can be made without additional knowledge, money, or effort. Instead, you can take advantage of the enticing options provided with Elfsight's dynamic editor. Create amazing websites and online stores using Elfsight by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.